This is technical knowledge you must know if you want to read the market. After this video, you will know how to read candles. In the picture, we see one bullish and one bearish candlestick. A bullish candlestick is when the price rises, and a bearish candlestick when it falls. On the candle, we can see two main things, the body and the wick. 80% of all candles have wicks. In the following episodes, we will learn why it is crucial for profitability. Each candle has its own open, low, high, and close, more commonly known as OLHC for bullish candle and OHLC, open, high, low, close for a bearish candle. Beginners often confuse open and close with candles. It should be remembered that with a bullish candle, the open is at the bottom of the candle body, and with a bearish candle, it is the other way around. Subscribe for more, like, and if you want more information about this topic, link in description.